All around the world you hear about climate change. We have a simple mission to pass on all our island ways. Born and raised on how to treat each other with respect. We are the first generation to end poverty, now that's a fact. Really? Nah bruh, we still got close family. Struggling so hard, the life they're living is so saddening. Experimental procedures still happening to see how carbon dioxide in the atmosphere can be so damaging. The biggest issue, yeah, this is the biggest issue, yeah. Open up your social media to see the upset. We all have a burden that we carry substantially. We all need a new way now of thinking for humanity. People need to stop financial denial of climate change. Future generations are at risk, your very own kids and grandkids, those of whom you want the very best for, unless you regulate and demonstrate the way to move forward. Traditionally, culturally, as a kid who was raised in a place so fully enriched in a manna territory, learning the hard ways as a broom on the right leg, making sure all your rubbish was disposed of the right way. This is how we do it at home in the South Pacific. Let's be realistic, is there even ever gonna be a village from all of the sea? We're sipping slowly to the ocean, the commotion that's building upon the sea. One no knowing geography of naturally geographical sea rise and king tides and so on and so forth. That's right. Evidence migration from the last flight. People running for their daily life, so you can all imagine that it's going up to history. So this is you and me. What we gonna do is a reflection of the future. See, la 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 general, trade upon like federal, situation critical, plastic a minimal, see me got a visual, clean and spiritual. What we gonna do is a reflection of the future. See, la 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 la